Hello students, welcome to the class 7th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn term 2 exercise 1.3. Compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. So what is given in the question? They are asking us to compare the following decimal numbers and they are asking us to find out the smaller number. So let us remember the few steps. So compare the whole number part. The second one, compare the decimal number part and write the small number or big number. So now let's move to the subdivision 1. 2.08, 2.086. Now compare these two decimal numbers. So let us look at the left hand side part, that is whole number part. So after the decimal point, we get a fractional part, isn't it? So to write the smaller number, before that we need to compare. So let us check 2.08, 2.08. So this two numbers looks like a same number, but we need to find the smaller number. So 2.2 same. Okay, just omit that. Next move to the point. So there is also existing decimal point. Next compare to the first number of the decimal number, which means this is 10th, isn't it? So which is the next one is 100th number and next one is 1000th number. But here 08 is here. Here 086 is here. Here what is smaller number? Easily we can say here 0, here is also 0. Here also 8. In the second number also we have a 8. Then in the third place this number does not have a 1000th number, isn't it? So therefore 2.08 is smaller to the 2.086. We can write it. So 2.08 is less than 2.086 and we can write smaller number. So what is smaller number? 2.08. 2.08. Next, second subdivision 0.99, 1.9. So compare the whole number part. Here 0 is small number and 1 is greater number, isn't it? So we can conclude 0.99 is less than 1.9. So easily we can write smaller number is 0.99. That's it. So let's move to the third subdivision. 3.53 and 3.35. So these two numbers looks like same, isn't it? So carefully note that the whole number part 3 and 3 is same. So next move to the decimal of the first part or the first number, that is 5 and 3. So among 5 and 3 which is smaller? So 3 is the smaller. So therefore we can write 3.35 is less than 3.53. So we can conclude the smaller number is 3.35. So end of this tip denotes the smaller number. So the open part denotes the greater number. Now let's move to the fourth subdivision. 5.05 and 5.50. Compare these two numbers. Here the whole part is same. And look at the decimal part of the first one. Here 0 is here, here 5 is here. So comparing 0 and 5, we can easily say which is smallest one. So 0 is the smallest one. So therefore we can write 5.05 is less than. So the small tip denotes the smaller number. The open tip denotes the bigger number, that is 5.50. Therefore smaller number is equal to 5.05. Did you understand? Now, the fifth subdivision 123.5 and 12.35. Look at the decimal point. Sorry, look at the whole part. Here 123 is here. Here 12.35 is here. So, by comparing the whole part, we can say the 12.35 is smaller than 123.5. Therefore, we can write smaller number is equal to 12.35. Now the second question is arrange the following in an ascending order. So 2.35, 2.53, 5.32, 3.52, 3.25. So there are 5 decimal numbers are given. So using these 5 numbers, we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So what is ascending order? So that's what we have learned in the previous classes. Example of the climbing of the staircase. So it goes from small to big. Small to big. So remember the staircase and remember the word small to big. So this is called ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So in this way we are going to arrange the following decimal numbers in a small and big order. So therefore we need to find out the smallest number. So compare this number 2.35, 2.53. So comparing this two, we can say 2 and 2 whole part is common or same. Next move to the decimal part. Here is 3, here is 5. So which is the smallest one? 2.35 is the smallest one. But here look at here 5, 3, 3 are there. So therefore the very smallest number among this decimal number is 2.35. Clear? So let's write the second number. So what is the second number? 2.53 will be the second number. The third number will be, so in the comparing the whole part we can say 3.5 to 3.25, isn't it? So we are moving from small to big. So therefore 3.5 to 3.25. Which one will be the smallest one? So here comparing this 5 and 2 we can say this is the smallest one. So we can write 3.25. So this is the third one and next we will get 3.52 will become the fourth number and the remaining one will be the last bigger number, that is 5.32. Now we can write the ascending order. That is, we are going to submit the final answer for this problem. So for that we need to write 2.35 is less than 2.53. This number is less than 3.25 and this number is less than 3.52 and then we need to write 5.32. Simply remember, arrange the number in order. So between these two number, just put the less than symbol. Okay. Next move to the second subdivision 123.45 and 122.54, 125.43, 125.34, 125.3. Now we need to write the smallest number or let us put the order in here itself. Okay. So 123.45. So is there any small number? Here is 122.54. Therefore this will be the first one. So what will be the next one? 123, 125, 125. So just leave this. This is also 125. Now we need to write the next one, 123.45. Now this 3 decimal numbers of the whole part is common because 125, 125, 125. So we need to check the decimal part or the fractional part. So here we get 4, here we get 3, here we get 3. But the second decimal number, which means 1 by 100th place, here there is a 3, here 4. But here there is no 1 by 100th place. So therefore this number will be considered as the third. So comparing this to 3 is the smallest one. So this will be regarded as a 4. And finally this 0.43 will be treated as the fifth one. So let us write the answers. So ascending order. So what is the first one? 122.54 is less than. Second one is 123.45. The third one is 125.3. The next bigger number is 125.34. So the last bigger number is 125.43. So this is the final answer for these two sums. Now the third question is, compare the following decimal number and find the greater number. So we need to compare and we need to find out the greater number. So what we need to do? We need to compare the whole number and the decimal part, and the last one we need to write the greater number. So compare this whole number. What we get here? 24 and 20 we get. So comparing this, which is the bigger one we can say? So 25.5 is bigger, isn't it? So we can write 24.5 is greater than 20.32. So we could complete greater number because the end of the tip denotes the smaller number. Here we need to find out the greater number. So the wide open side will be 24.5, which is the greater number. We can conclude that is 24.5. For the second subdivision, compare the whole number. What we get? 6, 6. Okay, these are same. So next compare the decimal point. 9 and 5. So among 9 and 5, which is bigger one? Here 9 is the biggest one. So therefore, what is the greater number? So we can say 6.95 is a greater number than 6.59. So therefore, greater number we can conclude that is 6.95. Now the third subdivision is 17.3, 17.8. So the whole part is common, same. Now comparing this two decimal part, we can say that is 17.8 because 8 is greater than 3. So 17.8 is greater than 17.3. So we can conclude, so greater number is equal to 17.8. For the fourth subdivision, 235.42 and 235.48. So 235 is same. So let us compare the decimal point 42 and 48. Here, which is greater one? Here 48 is greater one, isn't it? So therefore, 235.48 is greater number than 235.42. So therefore, we can conclude greater number is equal to 235.48 is the greater number. Now for the fifth subdivision, 0.007. Here 0.07. So let us compare the whole part. Both are same, isn't it? Now for the first part there is a 0. For the second part, Here you see the place value of the second one. Here we have 0, but here we have a 7. So let us compare the 0 and 7. Which is the greater one? Yes, 7 is the greatest number. So therefore 0.07 is greater than 0.007. So therefore greater number is equal to 0.07. Now the sixth subdivision, 4.571, 4.578. Here 4 is common, 5 also is common, 7 also common. So we need to compare the last digit to the last digit. So which is greater one? 8 is the greatest one, isn't it? So we can conclude 4.578 is greater than 4.571. So final answer is greater number is equal to 4.578. Now look at the fourth question. Arrange the given decimal numbers in descending order. So remember the word descending order. So what do you mean by descending order? It's nothing from big to small. So big to small or coming down. So from the first step to moving to the last point or to the least point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So writing the number in the lowest form. Here the first subdivision is 17.35, 71.53, 51.73, 73.51, 51, 37.51. So here let us arrange it in the order. So let's write the order. 17.35, 71.53. So this is a given. 73, 73.51 and 37.51. Here let us find out the very bigger number. Okay. So remember big to small. So what is bigger number here? So compare the whole part. So 17, 71, 51, 73, 37. So which is the bigger one? 73 is a bigger one. Okay. So there is no other number related to the 73. So what will be the next one? 71. So this will be the second one. Next least number, 51 will be treated as a third one. Then 37 is a fourth number. Then the 17.35 is fifth number. So now let us write it in the descending order. So for the descending order, write down the bigger number first. So 73.51 is greater than. Let's write it 71.53. So we are arranging from bigger number to smaller number. So the next smallest number is 51.73. The other smallest number is 37.51. The last number is 17.35, which means 73.51 is greater than 71.53. So this symbol denotes greater than. The same way, let us move to the second subdivision. Compare this 5 decimal numbers: 446, 546, 563, 745, 457. So here we need to write big to small. So big number to small number we need to write, isn't it? So let us write down the given number. and 563.47, 745.63 and 457.71. So let us find out the bigger number. What is the first bigger number? So compare the whole part. Here 745 is a bigger one. What will be the next one? 446. Sorry, 546, 563. Which one will be the next bigger number? This will be the one. Next, automatically this will become the third one. Now compare this 456 and 457. So comparing this two, which is bigger one? 456 is smaller, but 457 is bigger one, isn't it? So therefore this is the fourth number, and the least number is 456.73. Now we need to arrange these numbers in descending order. So let us write the bigger number. 74.63 is greater number than 563.47. Then 546.37, and next this number is greater than 457.71, which means 71, and this number is greater than 456.73. So this is the final answer for this second subdivision. We need to write with the greater than symbol. The same way, for the ascending order, we need to write it with the less than symbol. I hope you will understand. Dear students, so learn it clearly. Thank you.